Hi, this is Colin from Watch Off the Cuff. In a few hours, I'm going to fly to Geneva, Switzerland for the first time. A couple of reasons. Number one, the EPHJ show is there, which showcases, among other things, precision watchmaking equipment. So looking forward to doing that. And also, I've recently become a distributor for Horotec, and I'm invited to see their facility as well, which will be a short train right away. So I just figured I'd start a little video before I went. I'm not like a vlogger anyway, so it's sort of interesting. We'll see if I can put together some highlights. Very much looking forward to seeing the Patek Philippe Museum in Geneva. There is another museum that's in the Valley de Joux, where Horotec is. I'm trying to think what else I'm going to see. There is apparently a flea market on Saturday mornings, which is actually the morning we're going to leave. So I'm going to try to get up really early and go down and see whether I can't find or buy some antique and obscure watchmaking equipment. And of course, just to even go to EPHJ to see all things there. Again, Horotec's a big one. I've also become a distributor for Bergeron, so I can go there and see some of the new stuff and better connect with some of the people at Bergeron as well. That is it. I will try to do a little vlogging from the road, and we'll see whether it's hit or miss. If you never see this, then it means that the vlogging went terrible and it was too bad to actually post. But we'll see. I'll try my best. Anyway, talk soon. Hopefully next time, either from the airport or from Switzerland itself. Cheers. Hi, it's Colin from Watch Off the Cuff again. Our flights got changed. So instead of going from Toronto to Montreal to Geneva, we're now going Toronto to Zurich, then Zurich to Geneva, and then next time we talk, we should be in Switzerland. Fine. In Geneva, go figure. Watch advertisements everywhere. We're on the way to the hotel. How tired are you feeling right now?
Really tired.
Anyway, we're almost there. Okay, now we gotta say it. Chaux-de-Fonds. Yeah, International Museum of Horology.
Here.
We're here. We're gonna go do it. We're gonna take pictures of it. Okay, let's go. Getting close, about to go into the Musée International de Horologie, if I can say it right. Anyway, it opens at 10, and we've got a guided tour waiting for us, and we're about 15 minutes away from that.
We're going to make a picture of you.
I love it. Hi, this is Colin from Watch Off the Cuff. I'm in the showroom of Horotec in Le Chaux-de-Fonds. I hope I said that or pronounced that correctly. I'm going to give you a quick run around the room. Some of the stuff is currently at the EPHJ show, which is actually why I'm here in Geneva tomorrow. So this showroom isn't as full as it usually is, but here's a few items that I have for sale in the shop at watchoffthecuff.com, and I'll give you a quick run through. So first of all, we've got some crystal presses here. Actually, this particular crystal press I have in my own collection for watchmaking tools. There you can see here there's a couple of options, various sizes and complexity. I have this particular unit in my personal collection. You can use it to open snapback cases, and also I can use these pins and drivers to use it as a horizontal staking kit. And there's a couple of other options here for hand setting. Here we've got some levers for removing of hands, and here is a set of hand setting devices to put the hands back on. If we take a look at this device here, this is used to remove a hand without actually touching the dial, as opposed to this style where we're going to touch the dial as we pry the hands off the watch movement. We've got some bracelet blocks here to drive in and out pins, and we've got also some spring bar tools as well. These can be used to install pusher tubes, and we have some tweezer type spring bar tools as well. All right, here we have got some screw back case machinery here. This is the maxi press, is also from my own personal collection as well. This can come in a number of configurations, either the press itself for removing screw back cases. You get it in a number of configurations with or without dies. It's available with these suction type here, Baume & Mercier, Rolex, and a number of other configurations. And here we have a selection of Swiss-made pliers and cutters. Here we have some Horotec tweezers in a number of configurations, some of them with plastic tips, Delrin tips, depending on the application. Here we have a jeweling tool from Horotec as well, with a number of options for inserts for pressing in and out jewels. A selection of brushes here of various types. If we move on here, you can see a polishing machine, also available with built-in filtration. And then we've got an exposed unit here without hoods or filtration. Here we have Horotec pin vices, poising tool, here we have a selection of Horotec screwdrivers. This set contains 6. There's another one here that's 8. There's a newer version here that is anodized aluminum with 8 pieces. This is their top of the line set with 12 pieces. I think that currently right now, this 8-piece set is probably the best value for money. We have a selection of lubricants, which are also on the website, and here's oilers and oiler cups to hold the lubricant.
Speak French because some parts in Canada
Yes, un petit peu. Not enough to have a conversation.
vous avez dit you can make a run.
On appelle ça du guillochement parce qu'on fait aller la machine